Hell. Today we are seeing how to use autodraw, an app that allows you to draw with AI. So let's start.
So first, here go to autodraw.com, and here you have the select mode. And here you can also see the auto draw. Let's draw here a house. Here is just drawn it. Just maybe like this. Here is it. You can see some houses. Let's choose this one. Here, let's click on type. Inside some text like this. A sunny day. Here I can change the color. I select now the house and click on this fruit and choose the color. Let's choose green and I'll make these and I will choose also red for the walls and for the doors I will choose blue. I will select the house and adjust the size. Here I will click on shape and choose a rectangle just right over here and let's click on fill and fill it with green. Oops. You cannot see the house, but I click on select here and Control C and Control V. Yeah, and here you can see it says delete this. And then let's click on fill again and choose this blue and put this the blue. Here let's use the auto draw option. Here just draw a circle and some lights waves like that to represent the sun. Let's look for the sun here. Here is the sun. Let's click on it and let's click on it again and minimize the size and click on fill and fill the sun. Oops, to Z. Here I can also with the auto drop option of course and let's choose white. Let's draw some clouds. Here is an image of a cloud. Select it and Control C, Control V them and click on fill and fill them all. Select, oops, select. And here let's adjust the size. I love auto draw option, that's why it's named auto draw. And here let's draw a dog. Let's click on the auto draw and then draw here a dog. It can't be perfect because auto draw will fix it. And here is it. You can see a dog and also other animals. Let's see if we can find a horse. Here's one. Okay, select him now And here choose the color. And you can see also you have other colors like this brown color. Select, select him and make him smaller. And here this is how you use autodraw.com.